How to not save Snapchat pictures in gallery. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you're here, you need to scroll down to the privacy control section. And from there, click on memories. Then from the save destinations section, click on save button. And here it tells you when you tap the save button while editing a snap, snaps will be saved to. And from this option you want to choose memories only, which is the first option. And by doing that, snaps will not be saved to your mobile gallery. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and turn off pictures and photos of Snapchat saving and downloading into your phone gallery. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.